Hello. My name is Stephen Hawking, physicist, cosmologist, and something of a dreamer. Although I cannot move, and I have to speak through a computer, in my mind, I am free.
The universe. What a concept. The universe, if you can imagine, is a lot like water, always moving forward. The spherical dimensions really simulate the cycle it sort of faces and produces as a result. A simulation that contributes to the make of the universe come together is something called string theory. Now, here I have an orange representing the sun. 2,000 years ago, when the sun was being made.
Well, that's all the time we have.
Hey, Jimmy, I think maybe we should close the song.
Why not? Hit it, Goddard!
Venus kept its orbit. And the reason why is because of unimaginably tiny strings attached from Venus to the sun, called string theories.
The dying star.
Solar bond.
We all saw the movie The Matrix, where you simply jack in a program into our brain and bingo, we are karate masters.
Hey, Jimmy, I think maybe we should close the song.
Now, the strings are so infinitely tiny, it is trillions of times smaller than an atom particle, like the Jimmy Neutron transitions.
Bingo. Let's say you take the AIDS virus or Ebola virus and you weaponize it so that it's airborne. Think about that. You sneeze and it's a death warrant.
Planets. What can I say? In our solar system, you've got planets like Venus, Jupiter, Mercury, Jupiter, and Sector 9, Titan, Venus,
There's something a bit odd about the value we attach to gold.
Lumbridge.
Throughout history,
planet.
people have gone to extraordinary lengths to get their hands on this most precious substance.
High school kids will have the capability of, in some sense, manipulating life forms. One danger is that we'll have a typewriter where you simply type ATCG, ATCG, bingo.
Over the years, many theoretical theorems have been speculated of what would occur if humans visited the sun. Now, if it's in winter and it's in nighttime, occurring at the same point in time in the time spectrum, I'm sure it would be cold enough for, and at such a degree for humans to land and explore the surface for a brief amount of time.
The reason for that scarcity is that creating substantial amounts of the heaviest elements requires some of the rarest conditions in the universe.
Now, if we collapse the mass within our sun system, we could possibly overwrite the infinite fate that the solarverse system has. Okay, so imagine a grass field, approximately 3 miles in diameter.
I think maybe we should close the song.
Multiply the volume of the surface with the amount of stars in our universe, and you're looking at an incredibly dense particle, something far more denser than water.
Our brain is a learning machine. It learns by itself to correct its previous mistakes. While your laptop today is just as stupid today as it was yesterday.
Are what make up the universe. And so, for example, CO2 carbon molecules plus hydrogen atom electrons equals water. And so, if we connect now, and so keeping that in mind, if we connect cyber straw from the Earth extending to Neptune, we could possibly use our powers to suck up Neptune, since it's made of water, with infinite supply of waters, solving the global water crisis. It's not rocket science.
I'm jacking off to you, girl. I'm jacking off to you. Jacking off to your Facebook pics.
Dark matter, dark energy, they are quite intricate concepts to understand. Something I teach my physics students at the University of Falador is that the dark matter and dark energy is actually the cyber rays of the Dark Warlord Zargon, which ruled the cyberverse for 800 whole solar years.
We created this gigantic plant in Tennessee, and we had this huge hundreds of miles of height.
When I first started studying quantum mechanics and physics in the University of Forestville, I never knew I could completely turn around the world of science. So here's to the crazy ones, the misfits, the geezers, because it's the ones that are crazy enough to think that they can change the world are the ones that do.
Ah!